Former La Crosse Police Lieutenant Brian Thomson resigned this summer when he was caught stealing fake drugs the department planted in the evidence room. In the criminal complaint filed today, Thomson confesses to stealing the fake narcotics. He also admits to taking methamphetamine from the police department on 3 separate occasions. Thomson says his addiction began after taking legitimate prescription drugs. News 8's Carrie Vick was in court for Thomson's appearance and joins us now with the latest on the investigation.
Says since his arrest, he's been cooperating with the state attorney general's office and the police department to try to undo some of the damage. But the district attorney's office says even with his help, it will take months for all the repercussions of his actions to play out.
State versus Brian Thomson.
It was a quick court appearance for former La Crosse Police Lieutenant Brian Thomson.
Mr. Thomson, the complaint alleges attempted possession of a Schedule II narcotic drug without a prescription.
An out-of-county judge was assigned to the case, which will determine the next court date.
And that judge will set the matter for plea and sentencing or whatever the parties indicate is next on the schedule.
Thomson's attorney, Keith Belzer, says Thomson has been open about what he did.
It was part of a pre-charging negotiation between the Attorney General's office and myself and Brian. Brian has been cooperating with the La Crosse Police Department, trying to help them sort of close any open issues related to his particular situation.
But even with his help, a full-scale investigation into manipulated evidence was launched at the La Crosse Police Department.
He's being cooperative, but still there's just a lot of things that we need to look into and figure out, does it make a difference in the case? Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
La Crosse County District Attorney Tim Grinke says the manipulated evidence could affect dozens of past and present cases. But he says it could take months before the full impact of Thomson's actions are felt.
This is something that it's going to take us a while to figure out the scope of it, but at this point it appears we've got a good handle on it, and he's been cooperative with us, and the ultimate effect on all the cases is just won't be known for quite some time.
Now, the date for Thomson's next court appearance depends on when an out-of-county judge is selected, but Thomson's attorney Keith Belzer says he hopes to have the case wrapped up in the next 30 days.
All right, thanks a lot, Carrie. And based on the current charge, Thomson could face up to 3.5 years in prison.